Hi, Mike Gannon from Full Service Aquatics, a pond hunter video series. Check out this pond. Usually when we're doing a pond, we dig everything down. For this particular project, we actually had to retain the area. The backyard for this pond installation has a strong slope to it, so we built a retaining wall, as well as a little patio area, which I'm standing on right now, and a deck, which you can see behind me. We didn't build the deck, but this pond went in. It's about almost 40 feet long. I would say about 20 feet across. Has a double waterfall, has a nice deep portion for the fish, skimmer box, biofalls filtration system, great lighting system, gravel paths, nice landscape, and a seating area for feeding the fish. It's a really great pond. I love this pond. We put it in several years ago. This pond is, I would say, about 7 years old. Okay, let me show you. We have a real strong water flow on this waterfall here. We're moving about 10,000 gallons per hour through the two waterfalls, being fed with one pump that we just teed off to be able to run both of these. And we have valves in back to be able to adjust the water flow a bit. We have a really large volume of water here. We have approximately 10,000 gallons in the pond itself. From the slope of this backyard, even though it's not a very strong slope, it's a long pond. So you can see as the wall builds here, we actually ended up coming up about 4 feet tall, somewhere around there. The landscaping and everything was put in afterwards. It's still early in the season. We'll stop back and give you a good shot when we have all the colorful flowers and everything growing in and everything's really in bloom. In this pond we have a mixture of koi and comets. There's definitely been a problem with the heron coming around here. I think this large body of water, and given the location close to a riverway, has attracted a few herons. So right now we're going to end up running baffling across the pond itself, which we really use just 50-pound test nylon fishing string. It's invisible, it's not too obtrusive to the eye, but it really helps to deter these big birds to come around and stealing away everybody's stock. Project took about 7 days to complete. The first phase of it was, of course, retaining the area. We had to build it up. That took a couple of days. And then we excavated down the pond and filled in around the perimeter to allow us some landscape opportunity to do some plantings. We got great weeping trees, star magnolia, mugo pines, and all sorts of perennials that come up year after year. It's early now, so you still don't get to see these, but we'll come back and visit it again when you do get to see all these. The plants in the pond right now, we're still looking at the early emergent plants like our water iris and cattail, things along those lines, and later on we'll have lilies, and all sorts of other flowering plants and beautiful aquatic plants coming through. I think the size of this pond really complements the backyard and gives it a really great, livable area to enjoy the great outdoors right in your own backyard, your own private oasis. Thanks for watching the Pond Hunter video series, and remember to visit us at fullserviceaquatics.com or loveyourpond.com. Thanks again.